The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for Hays County, southern Travis County, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain has fallen in the past hour, with more rainfall expected. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: radar indicated. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Austin, San Marcos, Kyle, Buda, Dripping Springs, Wimberley, Tanglewood Forest, Austin Bergstrom International Airport, Lakeway, The Cave, Westlake Hills, The Hills, Wood Creek, Rolling Wood, Human, Mustang Ridge, Meadowald, Bear Creek, Martin Creek, and Henley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.